Audience bears with me for another 10. Mr. Trivedi and Mr. Zaveri would like to leave after that. So let those two people ask question. Acha, we'll allow only... No.
No.
When he is leaving, let us ask
Yes.
2 questions to him and let him hear.
Yes.
Okay.
Let us also ask a question.
Okay,
he has agreed.
let those
He has
two
agreed.
people ask question, which Mr. Zaveri has requested. Mr. Bade, who's Mr. Bade? Acha, one Mr. Bade and that
Rule होता है.
will not. Acha, and the other two, they two, acha, we'll allow them to ask 2 questions to one.
To Dr. Hussain.
Excuse me, Mr. Zaveri. Acha. Okay, now question for, yes, one question he'll ask, one you'll ask, then I will allow Mr. Zaveri, after you all have finished your 2 questions, and one minute, after they have finished their 2 questions, you have finished your 2, I'll allow them to leave, then the other 2 who have missed their chance will be given permission. Beyond that, those who are missing because of these 2 people will be given a chance. Beyond that, I will not allow. Please, we have to
Dr.
complete the program. Yes, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.
Short, brief and to the point.
Dr. Saab.
Sir?
Dr. Saab.
Brief. Kishori, sir?
Yes.
Brief and to
My
the point.
question is this. I went to see the picture, Khane Khuda. There was a session of 3 days. So people, Haji Sahab jo the, they were wearing sandalwoods. And then beside that, not eating any as a non-meat food. No haircut, nothing, a complete brahmachari and sannyasi. When the picture was over, I asked them, what is this? Those 3 days complete renunciation, sannyasi, brahmachari, what reply they gave? He said, खाने खुदा था. मैंने कहा, मुसलमान भाइयों, सारा संसार खाने खुदा नहीं है. वही खाना खुदा है. 3 दिन आप रखते हो.
भाई साहब से क्वेश्चन जरा, भाई साहब हमारे चीफ गेस्ट को और हमारे स्पीकर्स को जानना. Please put forward your question.
सारा संसार खाने खुदा है. Please reply to me that those 3 days they were offering as khane khuda. What about the whole world as khane khuda? Why the killing should not be stopped everywhere, especially in India? This is my question.
So we will not allow that question. Sir, on the request of the chief guest and the speaker, will not allow that answer. Maybe have the...
Mr. Rashmibhai Zaveri requested the person to ask a question out of turn. I am willing to answer. I am willing to answer. If chairman says no, then I will. I would love to answer if you allow me. Okay. Anyway, I will control the order. Nothing will go wrong.
Okay, we'll allow him, but a short this thing. What was the question? I didn't hear it.
I heard the question. I am supposed to answer. It's a very good question.
Okay, now quickly and a quick answer, then we'll allow the other gentleman.
It's a very good question.
Yes.
It's a very good question. It will not create problems. I believe though you all are vegetarians out here, we aren't that violent. It won't create problems, I take guarantee. I will not say something that will create violence. Yes, I know there are non-veg and veg meats in Ahmedabad and Gujarat and there were riots and all. Here, as far as I'm concerned, I speak logical, then nothing happened. The brother asked a very good question. He said that he had seen pilgrims going and for 3 days, they didn't have meat. They didn't have meat. It's on Islam. It's on Islam.
Why Islam allows like this? No, he's asked a question
He's
on
asking
Islam.
a question on Islam.
No, but that's non-veg.
He's not asking on Jainism. What is the problem? Are you so much afraid that the answer will make him a non-veg? He will yet be a veg. No problem. I don't want you to become a non-veg. The brother asked a very good question, that why there don't you have non-veg? It's a misinformation. I've been for Hajj several times. Whoever told you a lie that we don't have non-veg. The rule out there is that in that sacred part, at that time, you cannot kill any animal for hunting. At that time only. But not eating non-veg. I have gone there. I eat non-veg. Who says you can't eat non-veg? Yes, we are dressed up in 2 pieces of unsewn cloth. You know why? You know why? Because it's the biggest annual gathering in the world. People come from America, from Canada, from India, from Pakistan, from Indonesia, all dressed up in 2 pieces of unsewn cloth. Identical. You cannot make out the person next to you, whether he's a king or a pauper, for universal brotherhood. Not theoretical, practical. Universal brotherhood. When we offer salah shoulder to shoulder. We eat food, we eat together. We eat even non-veg. Where you got this from, I don't know. Whoever told you, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, he has told you total falsehood. I'm telling you. I've been for Hajj several times. I've been for Umrah. It's totally wrong. And for universal brotherhood, everyone comes there. So that you can make out people from various parts of the world. We have to be one brotherhood. Islamic brotherhood is that all human beings are brothers. And Muslims are brothers in faith.
Yes, brother.
Mr. Zaveri, this question is for you. At the end of your speech, Mr. Zaveri, this question is for you, please.
Yes, put forward your question.
Mr. Zaveri is having his attention there. Mr. Zaveri, this question is for you. At the end of your speech, you have listed 16 points differentiating between the herbivorous animals and the carnivorous animals. Now, I don't feel there is anyone in the audience to know these differences, except that you want to give emphasis on the point that giving the comparisons of herbivorous animals, you want to reflect that humans should also be herbivorous. That is, we should be vegetarian. This is what I understand. Dr. Zakir has already touched few of the points. Now, Dr. Zakir and Mr. Zaveri, I'm not a medical student by profession. I'm an engineering student. I had biology only up to my 10th standard, and thereafter only I had gathered some knowledge from here and there.
Ask your
Now-
question, please.
Question.
Now, here the points which I want to get a comment from your side is that you have said that pitalin is there in the saliva of the herbivorous animal. It is there in the carnivorous animals, and it is there present in the humans also. Now, you have said that herbivorous animals rotate their jaws while eating. I have never seen a man rotating his
See,
jaws.
it's a question of if you want to put a question, you are most welcome.
Put
It's
forward
not a lecture
your
session.
question, just to-
We are not here to hear your impressions. If you are most welcome to
this is a
ask me a
question for-
question. Ask me a direct question. I'll be too willing to give you a reply.
See,
Because
both
Mr.
simple
Trivedi
Excuse
and
me.
myself, we have got other appointments. We will be
Excuse
leaving
me.
after this.
You ask your question
Okay.
in 3 to 4 sentences. That's all.
My
3 to
small
4
question,
sentences.
what was the need for you to give the differentiation between herbivorous and carnivorous animals? What do you want to emphasize?
Yeah, it is a very natural thing that when I stated that almost all limbs and parts of the body of a human being are very similar to herbivorous animals, it is for the enlightened audience to decide whether I say, whether you agree with me or not. If you agree, it's well and good. Otherwise, if you don't agree, then also well and good. Who am I to say that you must agree on one point or others? That's okay. Because what I have stated is a scientific fact, which I have got reasons and I have got proof for that. But it is for the audience to see whether it is you are agreeable to that or not. My only point was that by nature, a human being is more, not only more, but 100%, he is a herbivorous, and by certain circumstances or by some other reasons, he has been made a carnivorous. Now, friends, I must tell you that I am extremely delighted to be here this morning and sharing our views, and so many misconceptions about Islam is now cleared by our learned Dr. Zakir. We never knew that these things are said in Islam, and for that I am extremely thankful to Islam Research Foundation, and I am also thankful to my friend Mr. Salecha Rushabh Foundation, and because of the time constraint of Mr. Trivedi and myself, because we have got other engagements, we will take your leave, and again, thank you very much.
Mr. Bade. Mr. Bade has to ask. Yes, you are Mr. Bade? Yes. No, well, excuse me. Mr. Bade has been requested specially to be given a chance to ask question. We have honored that request, and he will be given a chance now. After that, Mr. Trivedi, the last question from that side. And then, yes, last question from there. Ladies, I think, are less in number, so we disallow those 2 questions which were missed out. I hope that would be fair, Mr. Trivedi. Yes, Mr. Bade, then you, and then we finish the session. Yes, Mr.
Hari Om to Hindus.
Jai
Jai Jinendra to...
sorry. After we conclude the session, 2 people will get a chance to hear Dr. Zakir. If you want to hear the answer, and those who want to hear can stay back, others can go. Yes, Mr. Bade.
Hari Om to Hindus. Jai Jinendra to Jains. Salam Alaikum to Muslim Bhai.